Why does the world spin around express cargo services? What makes them so integral to today's global economy? The answer lies in the speed, reliability, and efficiency these services offer, transporting goods from the smallest parcels to the largest freight across international borders. Imagine a world where businesses and individuals can operate seamlessly across continents. That's the power of express cargo services. Express cargo service, the name itself signifies speed. But it's not just about rapid delivery, it's about the precision, reliability, and commitment to deliver goods in perfect condition. This service, which utilizes various modes of transport, including air, sea, and land, is a lifeline for businesses needing timely delivery to maintain supply chain efficiency. The cargo services industry has come a long way. It's evolved from traditional methods of shipping to modern, tech-driven solutions, making international trade more accessible and efficient. This transformation has been fueled by advancements in technology, transportation methods, and global trade agreements. Now let's dive deeper into door-to-door import services. These services handle every aspect of the shipping process, from the point of origin to the final destination. Imagine a service that picks up cargo from an exporter's premises in one country and delivers it to an importer's doorstep in another. It encompasses transportation, customs clearance, and local delivery, a truly end-to-end solution. For businesses and individuals, the benefits of such a service are immense. The convenience of dealing with a single service provider, the time saved, the reduced risk of goods being delayed in customs, it all adds up to a hassle-free experience. Take, for instance, the trade corridor between China and Pakistan. It's a bustling route with a wide range of goods being transported regularly. The strong trade relationship between these two countries, bolstered by geopolitical ties and economic agreements like the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, has led to a surge in cargo movement. From electronics and machinery to textiles and construction materials, the diversity of items imported from China to Pakistan is a testament to the depth of their trade relations. Dubai, a global trade hub, also plays a crucial role in bridging businesses. Its strategic location makes it a gateway for Pakistani businesses to access Middle Eastern and European markets. Commodities like petroleum products, gold, and electronics are commonly transported from Dubai to Pakistan, showcasing a varied trade portfolio. And lastly, consider the trade route from America to Pakistan. It's a testament to the capabilities of modern logistics, demonstrating how express cargo services can effectively manage long-distance logistics. In conclusion, express cargo service and door-to-door imports are transforming international trade, making it more efficient, reliable, and accessible. From China, Dubai, and America to Pakistan, these services are playing a pivotal role in connecting businesses and facilitating global commerce.